Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to show to you how I make my old clothes from scratch into a new one, sexy clothes to wear. And before we start, don't forget to click subscribe button if you'd like my videos, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you will be notified on my next and more coming video. Guys, please watch until the end how I made this crap clothes that I have since how many years already, and watch until the end how it becomes so sexy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Now guys, this will be our final result from an old t-shirt turned into a sexy new. Oh, clothes to wear on a daily basis, yeah? On a summer or on a hot summer sunny day. Charot. Okay guys, I hope you'd like it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.